Borrowing money from family can be a convenient way to access funds, but it also has several drawbacks that should be considered before making a decision. One potential advantage of borrowing from family is that the interest rate may be lower than what you would pay on a traditional loan. Additionally, the terms of the loan may be more flexible, and family members may be more willing to work with you if you have trouble making payments. However, borrowing money from family can also have negative consequences. It can put a strain on relationships if the loan is not paid back on time or as agreed. This can also lead to feelings of guilt, resentment, or even estrangement. Another drawback is that borrowing money from family can blur the line between personal and financial relationships. This can be uncomfortable and create tension if the borrower is not able to repay the loan as agreed. It's important to have a clear and written agreement outlining the terms of the loan, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any penalties for late payments. It's also important to have open and honest communication with the family member you are borrowing from and make sure that everyone is comfortable with the arrangement. It's also important to consider other options and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making a decision and consider the potential impact on your personal relationship with the family member.